I just started using these Prima Moulds for furniture onlays, and I'm having a problem getting some of the more delicate stuff out of the mold at times without it sticking. I lost that part right there. So here is what I did. This is a mold release spray that I'm using. It is called Smooth On Universal Mold Release, and you can find this online and order it. And this is the paper clay that I'm using, Creative Paper Clay. I got this off of Amazon. It's super fast and easy to use. That's all you gotta do. When you use this, it gets every little detail of the mold out, and you can actually press down harder in here than you can when you don't use the spray, because pressing harder can be the thing that kind of makes stuff stick in there. The more you do this without the spray, the more likely it is to stick. Alright, so let's see how much easier this comes out. It almost falls out. There it is. Nothing left behind in the mold. So that's it for today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and check back often. I put up new videos all the time. Thank you.